Sese, and they were doing final sorting of their hot pepper. They sort them here at the collection center before they are sent to the company. But when they are sent to their company, they get sorted again. This pepper is coming from Sese Island. So we're asking them that if they're done sorting, is it the final sorting? And they say no. The pepper gets sorted again when it reaches the company. They just reduce the amount of the reject that would go in the pepper. So they sort through and remove some of the obviously bad fruits. The pepper was really looking good, shiny and healthy. We actually visited one of the gardens where this pepper came from. So they were discussing among each other while they were sorting, and one was saying, do you know that pepper was grown on a dry land? There is no water in the area. And one of them was saying that is impossible. And then the other one kept saying he applied fertilizers. He applied chicken droppings and other fertilizers. So they are sorting out those that are very, very ready, because if the pepper is ripe, very ripe, it's not taken. If it's ripe, it has to still have some green on it. If it's starting to turn red, it should still have some green on it. But if it's completely red, it's not taken, it's sorted out. So they are removing such.